In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track deal progress in HubSpot CRM. To get started, sign into your HubSpot CRM account. Once you're in, head to the main navigation menu, click on CRM, and then select Deals. This will take you to the area where all of your sales opportunities are organized and managed. From there, open the Deals dashboard. This dashboard gives you a high-level view of your active deals and helps you quickly understand what is moving forward and what may need attention. If your account uses more than one sales pipeline, select the pipeline you want to track. This is important because each pipeline may represent a different sales process, team, or type of opportunity. Once you've chosen the correct pipeline, you'll see deals organized by deal stage. This layout makes it easy to follow progress visually, since each column represents a stage in your sales process. Take a moment to review which stage each deal is currently in. This helps you identify where every opportunity stands and spot any deals that may have been sitting too long in one stage. To look more closely at a specific opportunity, click on a deal to open its record. Inside the deal record, check the key details, including the deal stage, the amount, the owner, and the close date. These fields give you the most important snapshot of the deal's current status and expected outcome. Next, review the activity timeline. This section shows the history of engagement related to the deal, such as emails, calls, meetings, and notes. Looking through this timeline can help you understand what has already happened, what follow-up has been completed, and whether there has been recent activity. You should also monitor any tasks associated with the deal. Tasks are useful for staying on top of next steps and making sure no action item gets missed. If progress has been made, update the deal stage so the record accurately reflects where the opportunity stands. And when the deal is ready, move it to the next stage in the pipeline. Keeping stages updated is one of the best ways to maintain a reliable view of your pipeline. If you need to narrow your focus, use filters to track specific deals or deal owners. This is especially helpful when you're reviewing a large number of opportunities or checking performance for a certain rep or segment. Finally, return to the deals dashboard to monitor overall pipeline progress. By regularly reviewing the dashboard and keeping records up to date, you'll have a much clearer picture of your sales activity and deal movement over time. Thanks for watching.